Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through everything that you need to know about Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, what it offers, how it actually works, and most importantly, is it really worth the money in 2025? So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important information. Also, before proceeding, make sure you check out the links of all the useful resources that are mentioned here in this video, linked down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, simply search for this URL, that is adobe.com/acrobat/acrobatpro.html. Once you search for this, you will be landed here on this page. For quick access, you can also just click on the link in the description and you will be directly landed here on this page. Now, before hopping on how you can get started with Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, we need to understand what is Adobe Acrobat Pro DC actually is. So Adobe Acrobat Pro DC is Adobe's premium PDF tool that is designed for professionals, businesses, and anyone who works heavily with documents. It goes far beyond just opening the PDFs. With Acrobat Pro DC, you can create, edit, convert, compress, sign, and even protect the PDF files. It is fully cloud-based, so you can access your documents from anywhere, whether you are on desktop, mobile, or using the web version. You also get seamless integration with Adobe Document Cloud, which means that you can track activity, share files securely, and sync across devices with ease. Once you come here on this page, you will find bunch of different features that it offers. So we will just break them down one by one. So first of all, you can modify the text, images, and links directly inside the PDF file. Just working in a Word document, it automatically adjusts the formatting, alignment, and even the fonts. With few clicks, you will be able to now export your PDF into fully editable Microsoft Office file with layout and formatting intact. If you work with the large reports or graphics heavy files, Adobe Acrobat lets you reduce the size without killing the quality, which is ideal for email or cloud storage. You will also be able to create interactive PDF forms that users can fill digitally. Plus, Adobe Sign is built in for legally binding e-signatures, which is super useful for the contracts and approval flows. Now, it also provides you the redaction and password protection. So if you have any sensitive information in your PDF, no problem, you can permanently redact information and add passwords and permissions to control who can view it, print, or edit the file. Now let's talk about the integrations and the usability. One of the biggest reason Adobe Acrobat Pro DC stands out is how well it integrates. You can access the PDFs from OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, and even SharePoint, all without leaving the application. It's available for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, and it also syncs across devices using Adobe's ID. If you edit a document on your desktop, it shows up updated on your phone and vice versa. The user interface has improved over the years too. It is now cleaner, faster, and organizes tools in an easy to use sidebar, so you are not hunting for the functions. Even OCRs is built in, so scanned images become searchable and editable, which is great for digitalizing paper records. Now, as of 2025, Adobe Acrobat Pro DC is offered via subscription only. No one-time purchases is available here. If you come on this page and click on this buy now option in the top right hand corner of the screen, you will get to know the pricing that it offers. So starting price will cost you $12.99 per month if you build it annually, and the Adobe Pro is going to cost you $19.99 per month if you build it annually. So this gives you full access to all of the tools, desktop plus mobile support, and 100 GB of Adobe Cloud storage. So if you are a student or educator, Adobe sometimes offers discounts. Businesses can also opt for the team licenses with admin control and consolidated billing. If you think that it is pricey, absolutely yes. But if you work with PDFs daily and if you need advanced tools, the value justified the cost. Now, in our final section, we will understand who is it actually best for. So here is who should definitely consider using Adobe Pro DC. First of all, legal professionals. If you are a legal professional, you can use it for secure signatures, contracts, and reactions. If you are a student or researcher, you can use it for combining the sources, highlighting, and converting the citations. If you are a freelancer or any business owners, you can use it for quotations, invoices, and form handlings. If you are HR or admin teams, you can use it for collecting the employees' data and signatures. It is also useful for the marketers to deliver polished report and brochures in compact, shareable form. However, if your needs are basic, just like reading or printing the PDFs, the free Adobe Reader or even your own web browser may be enough. So, is Adobe Acrobat Pro DC worth it? My answer to this would be, if you rely on the PDFs daily, if you need professional tools or manage lots of documents, it is a solid investment. It is fast, powerful, and makes paperwork painless. But if you are only editing once in a while or converting the files occasionally, you might explore free alternatives and use the 7-day free trial just when needed. So that's all for this Adobe Acrobat Pro DC review. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.